Welcome! What's in a Customer Master Data Record? A customer is represented in SAP ERP by means of a master record. Customer master records are used both by the accounting and sales departments of an enterprise. Each record has a unique number which is necessary to not only call up the master record, but also to post to the customer account. This video will tell you how the customer data is structured to serve both needs in SAP ERP. Therefore, a customer master record will be displayed and the arrangement of data in so-called views explained. By the end of the video, you are able to call up a customer master data record and you are acquainted with general data, company code data, and sales area data of a customer. Let's get going with calling up the customer master. To call the transaction, I follow the menu path Logistics, Sales and Distribution, Master Data, Business Partner, Customer, Display. There I chose the transaction XD03 to display the complete customer record. The initial screen for displaying master data appears. To specify the customer, I must enter his number and his organizational classification. But of course, I only know the name of the customer. In this case, it's Arthur Stone. To get his number, I used the so-called input help by pressing the F4 key or by clicking on this symbol. Then the window of the value help appears. In some cases, like here, this is comprised of multiple tabs. They are called collective search helps. I choose the first tab, Customers General, and enter in the field name Stone in asterisk, because then I'll get a list of all customers that have the sequence Stone in their name. I start the search by pressing the return key or by clicking on the Start Search button on the lower right corner of the search window. As a result, I get a list of all customers that fit the search criteria, and here is the number of Arthur Stone. By double-clicking on the row, his number is immediately transferred to the initial screen, and at the same time, the search help window closes automatically. The remaining fields on the initial screen refer to the organizational classification of the customer record. For accounting, the company code is required. For sales, a combination of codes is asked, and by clicking on the push button Customer Sales Areas, all valid combinations are revealed. By double-clicking, the selected values will be adopted. Thus, the initial screen is complete, and by pressing the return key or by clicking on the Continue button, I finally enter the Customer Master Data Record. Since you know how to call up the Customer Master Record, let's move on to the customer's various data. In the customer record, the various data are subdivided into three main parts that are also termed views because they show data from a certain point of view. General data like address data are necessary for both accounting and sales departments. Company code data like account management are relevant for accounting departments. Sales data like shipping information are of interest for sales departments. Each view displays the data grouped on several tabs. The active view can be read on the title bar. To switch between the views, you just click on the push button or choose the view from the menu Go To. The other push buttons here on the application bar are enhancements and not relevant to this course. Now that you're acquainted with the data arrangement in views in the Customer Master, you're at the end of the video. In conclusion, in SAP ERP, a customer is represented by means of a master record with an identifying unique number. The Customer Master is used by both accounting and sales departments and can be displayed via the transaction XD03. Because the Customer Master serves different needs, Its data is split into 3 groups. These groups are also called views and are named General Data, Company Code Data, and Sales Area Data. That's all for this time. The next video will be demonstration for practice. Thank you for watching and bye!